Hello programmers, welcome back to my another video. So today I will solve the H-nong problem, which is two numbers. Basically it says given two numbers A and B, print floor, sale and round of A divided by B. So the problem gives me two input number A and B, and I have to calculate the floor, sale and round value of those two numbers A and B. So let's do it. I hope you already know about floor, sale, and round. What is floor, what is sale, and what is round. If not, you can read the note provided here. I think most of you know about it. So I directly jump into the VS Code to solve this. So since the answer can be in a floating number, so I can take double data type as input. So double AB in right shift AB, so I take the input part is completed. So now just print the output. So cout, so just type floor, what is says here. Okay, just copy this line actually. Okay, copy this line, and I think I have to remove all the parts from here. Okay, floor, then print the value of value A and print a forward slash. Also write a space and before and after a space in the for the forward slash. Also from the equal sign. Also for equal sign. So okay, so this is my equation. Sorry, equation, not equation actually. Uh, this is the statement. How can I calculate the floor value of two numbers? So basically I call the floor function a and passes the values, which is a divided by b, and it returns a floating point or double number. So basically after it returns the actual number, and the floor function converts the answer to floor value. Okay, so now duplicate those lines and remove this floor and write sale, and instead of write floor write round, and here instead of floor write sale, and here type round. This is a simple problem actually, so much simple problem. So let's check it. Copy g++ two numbers dot cpp, run. Okay, 343 perfect. Copy the second test case, test it. 233 perfect, and copy the third test case, 122 perfect. Okay, and now I can submit it. I hope you already understood it. And click browse, two numbers, open and submit. Okay, accepted. So I am end up this video here. See you on the next one, which is welcome you for you with conditions. Okay, till then, tata, goodbye.